your book, students. G. Open your books. Chapter number 9. Yesterday we were studying about shadow. Page number is 84. G. Yesterday we were studying about shadow. So, what do we mean by shadow? We have studied that light cannot pass through opaque objects. Light cannot pass through opaque objects. So, if light cannot pass through opaque objects, then a shadow is always formed on a surface behind the object. Like as you can see on page number 84, that the shadow of the boy is formed on a screen or on a wall behind that boy. So this is shadow. This is called a shadow. So what is a shadow? If light cannot pass through an opaque object, then then a shadow is formed behind the object or behind an opaque object such a human being. Like you can see this boy who is standing um, and the light is falling on this boy and a shadow is formed on the wall opposite him. So the shadow, if a shadow is formed behind the boy, the shadow will be longer. Okay, the shadow will be longer. So we have read the characteristics of a shadow. What are the characteristics of a shadow? A light source, an opaque object, an opaque screen or surface where the shadow is to be formed. So these are the three characteristics of a shadow. Now today, and then we have studied position of a shadow. If a shadow is formed behind the object, the shadow will be larger in length. If the shadow is formed in front of the object, like you can see in this picture, that the shadow is formed in front of the boy. The boy is standing and the shadow is formed in front of him. Then the shadow will be smaller. Okay, if you are standing with your back to the sunlight, then your shadow will be formed in your front and it will be smaller than the object, smaller than the boy. And if we are standing lengthwise, according to length means sideways, so the shadow will be formed in length. So this it means that our position makes the shadow. Okay, it depends upon the position. So now today we have to start from eclipses. So open page number 86. Today we have to start from eclipses. G. Eclipses. What are eclipses? Yes, Marish, you can read the topic eclipses. Yes, you can read. G. Marish, unmute yourself. Okay, Yashad, unmute yourself. You can read from eclipses. If you are not reading, then I will explain. Underline, an eclipse means the turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras and open page number 86. G, underline. An eclipse means the blocking of a heavenly object like the sun or the moon from view. Okay, like what are the heavenly objects? The objects in space are called the heavenly objects. What are heavenly objects? Objects in space, they are called heavenly objects, like the planets, all the planets, the sun, the star, and the moon. These are all called heavenly objects. What are they called? They are called heavenly objects. So what is the meaning of an eclipse? Eclipse means that if something is hidden from us. Eclipse, basically, what is the meaning of an eclipse? Eclipse means hidden. Meaning ke छुप जाना. Hidden. Okay, if something is hidden from our view, then it is called an eclipse. So what is an eclipse? An eclipse means the blocking of a heavenly object like the sun or moon from view. Means we cannot see the sun or the moon. Okay, this is known as an eclipse. Part of the sun or part of the moon. Not total sun or moon, just part of the sun or part of the moon. Sometimes there is an eclipse in which we cannot see part of the sun or part of the moon. These are known as eclipses. Okay, means that part is hidden from our view. Now we have to see that how the part of the sun or how the part of the moon is hidden from our view. And an eclipse occurs when a heavenly object moves into the shadow of another. So how does an eclipse happens? When one heavenly object comes in between another heavenly object in the path of another heavenly object, then it is known as, then an eclipse occurs. How an eclipse occurs? When one heavenly object comes in the path of another heavenly object. Means one heavenly object, for example, if moon comes in between the sun and the earth, then the light of the sun which is falling on the earth is blocked by the moon. It will fall on the moon, and that light is blocked on the earth. So now we are going to study two kinds of eclipses: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So very often you have heard about solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. You have also seen a solar eclipse which was recently. There is a solar eclipse in previous 1 or 2 months. So what happened on that day? We can't see the sun properly. Means a part of the sun is hidden from us. Means the sun was half or a quarter. So these are the eclipses: solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. An eclipse involving the sun, moon, and the earth occurs when they are nearly in a straight line, allowing one to be hidden behind another. Means if both three of them, if the three of them are in a straight line, then one of them will be hidden from the second one. So we are going to start from solar eclipse. Solar means related to the sun. What is the meaning of solar? Sun. Solar means sun. Underline करें. What is the meaning of solar? Solar means sun. During a solar eclipse, the sun is hidden from our view. Now what happened during a solar eclipse? We cannot see the sun. Why we cannot see the sun? Because the moon comes between the sun and the earth. As you can see in this picture, look at this picture carefully. The moon has come between the sun and the earth, and the moon cast its shadow on a part of the earth. Obviously we have studied about shadow. Light cannot pass through an opaque object. अगर लाइट जो है वो आपको पता है ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट में से नहीं गुजर सकती, तो लाइट इस पे फॉल तो करेगी मून पे, but it cannot pass through the moon. Okay, light will fall on the moon, but it cannot pass through the moon. ये मून में से गुजर के नहीं जाएगी. So light will not fall on the earth. If light will not pass through the moon, light will not fall on the earth. So that part of the earth will be in shadow. Okay, because we have studied if light cannot pass through an opaque object, it forms a shadow behind it. So what is behind moon? Earth. Earth is behind moon, na? So it will create a shadow on the surface of the earth. Okay, because moon cannot pass the light to the earth. So because moon is an opaque object. Now Moon is an opaque object. It will not let the light cross towards the earth. So a shadow will be formed behind the moon on the earth. So this is known as a solar eclipse. Now the moon casts its shadow on a part of the earth by blocking the light of the sun. What happens that the light of the sun which is falling on the earth, basically the light of the sun is falling on the earth, but now the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Okay, you know that sun, you have studied about solar system. Okay, what is solar system? That all the planets are revolving around the sun in their orbits. Solar system क्या है? All the planets are revolving around the sun in their orbits. No planet can leave its orbit. कोई भी planet अपना orbit छोड़ के दूसरे orbit में तो नहीं जा सकता ना. Okay, planets cannot leave their orbits. वो अपने orbits तो नहीं छोड़ सकते. Each planet is traveling in its own orbit. So similarly, moon are also traveling around the planets. Some planets have one moon, some have two moons, some have more than two moons. So, and some have no moon. So our earth has a moon. Earth का moon है ना? Earth has a moon. So the moon is also moving around the planet in its orbit. अब moon भी अपने orbit पे, ये देखो उन्होंने आपको orbit दिखाया. अब अर्थ का ऑर्बिट क्या है? जो डॉटेड लाइन उन्होंने आपको दिखाई है कि ये अर्थ का ऑर्बिट है सन के गिर्द, लेकिन थोड़ी सी उन्होंने डॉटेड लाइन दिखाई है, उसके बाद उन्होंने आपको व्यू खत्म कर दिया. मून का आप ऑर्बिट देख लो, जो डॉटेड लाइन है अर्थ के गिर्द, फुल सर्कल जो बना हुआ है, that is the orbit of the moon. Now the moon is moving around the earth in its orbit. During that orbit, मतलब during that revolution, जब वो मतलब वो प्रांत पे मूव कर रहा है, वो घूम रहा है, during that revolution, sometimes moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Sometimes आपको पता है moon किसके दरमियान आ जाता है? sun के और earth के middle में आ जाता है. In this way, the light of the sun which is falling on the earth, now it will fall on the moon, and because moon is an opaque object, moon is an opaque object, it will not let the light cross towards the earth, okay, to the earth. So it will block the light, and we have studied whenever light is blocked by an opaque object, it forms a shadow behind it. If the light source is in front, the shadow is formed behind. अगर light source back पे है तो shadow front पे बनता है. अगर light source front पे है तो shadow behind बनता है. So the shadow is formed behind the moon on the earth, and so the earth is in darkness. अर्थ क्या हो गई? डार्क हो गई ना. अब उसे सनलाइट रिसीव नहीं हो रही, लेकिन ओनली अ पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, नॉट द होल अर्थ. अ पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज इन डार्कनेस, and people living in this area of darkness cannot see the sun and so experience a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse can happen only on a new moon day. जी अंडरलाइन कर लें. But when will solar eclipse happen? On a new moon day. So when the sun is completely blocked by the moon, it is called a total eclipse. और total eclipse होना मुश्किल होता है, ठीक है? total eclipse इतनी आसानी से नहीं हो सकता. Okay, underline. When the sun is, if the sun is completely blocked by the moon, यानी अगर moon जो है वो sun की light को completely block कर दे, तो it is called a total eclipse. Means कि अर्थ पे बिल्कुल भी जो है वो कोई रोशनी नहीं पहुंचेगी. So that is called a total eclipse. अभी तो सोलर इक्लिप्स है ना, मीन्स कि a part of the earth cannot see, is in darkness, cannot see the sun. So that is known as a solar eclipse. But they are saying कि if the moon completely block the sunlight, then what happens? It is called as total eclipse. कि अर्थ पे टोटल क्या हो जाएगी? darkness, and people on the earth, they cannot see the sun. So this is known as a solar eclipse. Okay, अब है partial eclipse और annular eclipse. So what do we meant by partial eclipse? Underline ये सब definitions है. When the sun and the moon are not exactly in line, and the moon or only partially यानी a little bit, blocks the sun. It is called a partial eclipse. A partial eclipse क्या है? If the sun and the moon are not exactly in line, जैसे अभी हमने देखो, ये हमने देखा था कि sun और moon line में है ना, they are in a line, they are in a straight line, वो एक सीधी उसमें है. So now they are telling you that if the sun and the moon are not exactly in line, means the moon is little above the sun or little below. If the in the straight line, means it is not in a straight line, it is a little above or a little below. So what will happen, that it will only partially block the sunlight from reaching the earth. So it is called a partial eclipse. यानी कि अगर वो straight line में नहीं है, so it will block only a little light from reaching the earth. So that will be called partial eclipse. What is an annular eclipse? Annular eclipse occurs when the sun and the moon are exactly in line. अगर वो exactly एक ही line में है तो कौन सा eclipse होता है? Annular eclipse. But as the size of the moon is much smaller than the sun, the sun appears like a ring or an annulus surrounding the outline of the moon. What will happen, because you know that a moon is very much smaller, its size is very much smaller as compared to the sun. सबसे बड़ा तो sun है, फिर earth है, and then moon. So because the sun is very much, it is a very big ball. Okay, so because the moon is much smaller than the sun, so if they are exactly in the same line, then the light passing through the and falling on the moon, and it will create a ring or annulus. What is annulus? A ring. It will form a ring around surrounding the outline of the moon. Okay, because the moon is smaller than the sun, and it will form an outline around the moon to show its light. So this is known as annular eclipse. Annular eclipse क्या है? When the sun and moon are exactly in line, but because the moon is very much smaller than the sun, so the sun will form a ring around the moon. So this is known as annular eclipse. What is partial eclipse? When the moon is little above or below the straight line, means it is not in a straight line, it is above or below than the sun. So it will block only a little bit light of the sun. So that is called partial eclipse. Total eclipse क्या है? If the light of the sun is completely blocked by the moon, it is called a total eclipse. And what is solar eclipse? The light from the sun is hidden or it is blocked by the moon from reaching the earth. That is called a solar eclipse. The people living in this area of darkness, they cannot see the sun, and so experience a part of the light of the sun and experience a solar eclipse. Okay, now we are going to study lunar eclipse. But before, tell me what is solar eclipse. G, Marij, you tell me what is a solar eclipse? G, what is a solar eclipse? Manahij, unmute yourself. What is a solar eclipse? Okay, we should complete. So lunar eclipse. Then I will ask again. Lunar eclipse means lunar means related to the moon. Lunar means moon. Solar means sun. Lunar means moon. So what happens during a lunar eclipse? Now, we know that the moon is revolving around the earth. Sometimes it comes in between the sun and the earth. Sometimes earth comes in between the sun and the moon. Sometimes ये होता है कि moon earth sun और earth के दरमियान आ जाता है. Sometimes earth sun और moon के दरमियान आ जाती है. So in both cases there is an eclipse. If the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, there is a solar eclipse. If the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, there is a lunar eclipse. Now you can see on page number 87 the path of the lunar eclipse. What is happening in this diagram? Page number 87. As you can see, the light of the sun, it is blocked by the earth from falling on the moon. Now we know that earth is also an opaque object. Earth भी क्या है? Opaque object. Earth is also an opaque object. So the light which is falling from the sun on the earth, it will not cross to the moon. It will not fall on the moon. That light, because earth is an opaque object, so the light falling on it will create a shadow behind it. And what is behind earth? Moon. So it will create a shadow on moon. What is behind earth? Moon. So it will create a shadow on the moon. So now the people living in that part of the earth, they cannot see the moon because that part is shadow. Okay, so now I'm reading. Lunar means related to the moon. During a lunar eclipse, the moon is hidden from our view. Means we cannot see the moon, but only a part of the moon. Only the people living in that part of the earth cannot see the moon. So the moon passes behind the earth such that the earth blocks the sun rays from striking the moon. Striking any falling. एक तरह से किसी चीज को hit करना, fall करना, that is called striking. So you can write from falling on the moon या hitting the moon. Hitting तो नहीं आप कह सकते, falling on the moon. So the shadow of the earth falls on the moon because we know that light cannot pass through an opaque object. So whenever light falls on an opaque object, it forms a shadow behind it on a surface or a screen behind. So what is behind earth? Moon. So a shadow will be formed on the moon and we cannot see this dark area. People living in this dark area of the earth, they cannot see the moon. So the shadow of the earth falls on the moon and we cannot see this dark area. Underline, a lunar eclipse can happen only on a full moon day. Means when there is a full moon, we experience a lunar eclipse, and when there is a new moon, we experience a solar eclipse. So what is a lunar eclipse? I will repeat again. Now, as we have studied in this previous solar eclipse, we have studied that the moon comes in between the sun and the earth in such a way that light falling on the earth of the sun is blocked by the moon. Now the light of the sun is falling on the moon and it will not pass to the earth in such a way that the moon, it will cause a shadow on the earth. So the people living on the earth cannot see that part of the sun. Now again, we are talking about lunar eclipse. Lunar means related to the moon. So during the lunar eclipse, the moon is hidden from our view because now the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, and the light falling on the moon, now it will fall on the earth and it is blocked by the earth because earth is an opaque object, so a shadow will be formed on the moon. Okay, and the people living in that part of the earth, they cannot see the moon. This is known as a lunar eclipse. The shadow of the earth falls on the moon and we cannot see the this dark area. A lunar eclipse can happen only on a full moon day. Okay, now we are going to do exercise and then I will ask question answers from you. So open page number 88. Open page 88. Exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. आपने fill in the blanks करनी है using the correct options. Yes, Marish, you tell me. Unmute yourself now because we are going to do exercise. Okay, so students, in the previous lecture, I have given you homework of new words, only words, okay, not the meanings. And now for today, your homework is to do the question answers, part C, complete part C. Okay, learn plus write, complete part C. A और B हम अभी करेंगे, ठीक है? So A, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1, the earth is a dash object. Luminous or non-luminous? G. Who will tell me? Marriage. Unmute yourself. G. The earth is a luminous or non-luminous object?
Miss non-luminous.
Non-luminous. G. लिखे non-luminous. Okay, next second.
कार ऊपर
Light travels in the form of dash, rays या heat.
Rays.
Rays. G लिखे rays. Substances that allow only a little light to pass through them are called dash substances. Okay, so there is noise behind. Right, translucent. Substances that allow only a little light to pass through them are called translucent substances. A shadow dash in size as the distance of the object from the source of light decreases. G. A shadow decreases in size or a shadow increases in size? G. A shadow increases in size. Okay, if the object is moved towards the light source, so the size of the shadow increases as the distance of the object from the source of light decreases. So a shadow increases in size. Right, increases. A dash eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. A lunar eclipse occurs. What? A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Okay, now I will repeat. 1 is non-luminous, second rays, third translucent, a shadow increases, and last is a lunar eclipse. Okay, okay. Correct the following statements. B, इसको हमने corrections करनी है. जी, Marish, would you like to tell? Number 1, a burning candle is a non-luminous body. G, burning candle is a non-luminous or luminous? हमने इसमें corrections करनी है. जो wrong है आपने इसको right करके लिख देना. True false नहीं है, correct the sentences है. So first one is a burning candle is a luminous body. So you will cut non-luminous and write luminous. Substances that do not allow light to pass through them are called translucent substances. No, it's wrong. So it will be opaque because translucent allow a little light to pass through them. So cut translucent and write opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque. A shadow is always formed behind the source of light. Opposite. ठीक है, behind तो नहीं, क्योंकि वो कभी behind भी बनता है, कभी front पे भी बनता है, कभी side पे भी बनता है. So a shadow is always formed opposite the source of light. Any light, just light source होती है उसकी opposite direction में. Umbra is in partial darkness and receives some light from the source. Okay, umbra क्या है? An area of complete darkness. ठीक है? And receives no light from the source. So cut partial and write complete. Partial को cut करके complete लिखें. Umbra is in complete darkness and receives some. Some को cut करके लिखें no. And receives no light from the source. Okay, Umbra is in complete darkness and receives no light from the source. A lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the sun falls over the moon. जी, a lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the sun falls over the moon. कौन सा eclipse occur करता है जब sun का जो shadow है वो moon पे fall कर रहा है. ठीक है, अगर अर्थ पे फॉल करेगा तो इट मीन्स कि इट विल बी अ ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स, और अगर मून पे फॉल करे तो इट मीन्स इट इज अ सोलर एक्लिप्स. तो जस्ट कट ल्यूनर एंड राइट सोलर. बल्कि इस तरह नहीं लिखे इसको, अ ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स ही रहने दें. अ ल्यूनर एक्लिप्स अकर्स व्हेन द शैडो ऑफ द सन को कट करके लिखे अर्थ, सन को कट करके लिख दें अर्थ. The shadow of the earth falls on the over the moon. So a lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth. Just cut sun and write earth. The shadow of the earth falls over the moon. Solar eclipse can occur only on a full moon day. तो ये हमें पता है कि it occurs on a new moon day. Full को cut करके लिखे new. जी, solar eclipse can occur only on a new moon day. I will repeat. A burning candle is a luminous body. Substances that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque substances. A shadow is always formed opposite the source of light. Umbra is in complete darkness and receives no light from the source. A lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth falls over the moon. Solar eclipse can occur only on a new moon day. ठीक है? Okay, now you have to do the question answers. I will send you question answers of this chapter. So you have to complete the question answers of this chapter. And on Thursday, I will ask questions from this chapter. So completely read this chapter and I will ask question answers on Thursday about what we have. So we will do revision of this chapter on Thursday, in the class on Thursday. Okay, so now I'm going to ask what you have understand today. G. When are we able to see an object? G. Manage, you unmute yourself. G. When are we able to see an object? How are we able to see an object? हम एक object को कैसे देख सकते हैं? Unmute yourself. Okay, we are able to see an object because whenever light from that object bounces off and enter into our eyes, so that's how we are able to see an object, because of reflection of light. Whenever light reflects from that object, we are able to see that object. What is a luminous body? G, tell me, what is a luminous body? वैसे क्रिस्टल कलर की टूटा कहाँ है वो? जी March, tell me what is a luminous body? Luminous means through which can produce light. Luminous means which can produce light, such as a torch, sunlight, sun, bulb. These are all luminous. But what are transparent substances? Substances through which light can pass. They are called transparent substances, like glass, like window. These are all transparent substances. How does light travel? Light travel in the form of rays. What are the characteristics of a shadow? So three characteristics we have studied: a light source, an opaque object, and an opaque screen or surface where the shadow is to be formed. Then how does a solar eclipse takes place? How does a lunar eclipse takes place? So solar eclipse takes place when the earth comes in between the when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. This is called a solar eclipse. And when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, this is called a lunar eclipse. So all these question answers you have to complete in your notebook, okay, and write neatly. So prepare for your next class. Revise this chapter and learn question answers. I will listen in the next class.